Health through housing exists because housing instability, behavioral health needs, and economic strains are deeply connected, and they require a solution that involves multiple partners.
The Health Through Housing Initiative and the Booker House is part of that solution. It provides permanent supportive housing for people exiting chronic homelessness, pairing stable homes with the support that is needed to heal, stabilize, thrive, and recover from homelessness. Housing is health, housing is dignity, and it is belonging. It is the foundation of this and every other community here in King County.
My father, Harold, fought for fairness, equitability in housing his entire life. He believed everyone deserved dignity, health, and opportunity. He also believed that security in housing was foundational in that journey. Booker House carries his legacy forward by bringing together partners to create a place of stability, caring, and hope.
This is a long time coming, and now we're moving in residents who have said that this is their new beginning. This is their home. This is where they feel like they can have a fresh start.
Health Through Housing's Booker House, which will provide us 86 units of permanent supportive housing. This building that we're in right now is one of the most important solutions that we can put forward. It's an important solution for the affordability crisis, for the behavioral health crisis, and so much more. You all built something that is going to outlive each and every one of us. Hundreds of people will receive wraparound services and case management and community and faith support and so much more. People need to feel like they are integrated into the local community and not alone. And again, that is what this building is going to provide.
At its core, this work reflects a simple but powerful truth. Housing is a human right. We all have a shared responsibility to do what we can to uplift people from homelessness and into safe, stable housing. The Booker House is more than a building. It is a critical way station for individuals seeking help, and it reflects our community's commitment to dignity, compassion, and opportunity for all. Supportive services are often essential during times of recovery, and King County's commitment to this facility demonstrates a deep dedication to our residents and to the broader region. In Federal, we often say that we are centered on opportunity, and the Booker House represents exactly that.
Lord Almighty God, pour your most choice blessings on this house. May it become a place called home for its residents. May healing, restoration, reconciliation manifest abundantly here and now.
The mission of assisting people, it takes a village of caring individuals. And that is what, through my experience learning, growing, and working with the Urban League in King County, that I think we've built here. And that we need to continue to support and assist our residents in growing to a better, happier place. Thank you.